How to log out of Google account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log out of your Google account, it really depends upon where you want to log out from. So if you want to log out from your Google app only, or maybe from some of the Google apps, or you want to actually go ahead and log out from your device. Now keep in mind that on Android, to remove your Google account or log out of Google account, you have to remove the Google account from your Android device itself. And to achieve this, you have to open up settings application on any of your Android phones and then go to an option known as accounts and backup. Now in my case it's written as accounts and backup. In your case it could be written as something different, so you want to look for this option here and then just go to the option called manage accounts, which is at the very top, and from here select the Google account that you would like to log out from, then tap on remove account. From the bottom, just confirm the changes by tapping on remove and your Google account will get successfully logged out. This way you can log out Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.